In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your WordPress menu to another site. So here we have a demo menu and we have two demo sites. So we are going to export this menu to another site. Now you can do it manually, but it will take a lot of time. So here we are going to use a free plugin called WPS menu exporter. So as we are going to export this menu, I'm going to install the plugin on this site. So click on add new, then search for WPS exporter, menu exporter. Now install and activate this plugin. Once you have activated the plugin, just go to you can just click on this export button. Now here you can see you have a lot of options, and these are the default XML document that you can export from your site. So here we're going to choose the navigation menu items, click on it, or rather select it, and then download export file. So I have already downloaded the file and I will upload it to this site. So what you need to do is go to the dashboard of the new site that you want to export the menu to. Now go to tools, then go to import. Now install the WordPress importer. Now click on install now, then click on run importer. Now choose file. Here we go. Now click on open, then upload file and import. Then select the user, then submit. Now as you can see, I have already imported the menu. So now you can go to the appearance and menus, and now select the menu. See, we have successfully imported the menu and all of its items. So you can do this very easily. Now make sure that you do it. See, we have successfully imported the menu and all of its items. So you can do this very easily.